Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to insert FAQ, frequently asked questions, in your WordPress websites. So come to the computer screen. Here is a dashboard of our WordPress website. In the left panel you will find an option of plugin. Actually, there are two ways to do that. One is to make your own page and format all the questions and then put the answers with some PageMaker plugins, or the second way is to use some plugin for FAQ. I'm going to do it with a plugin. In the left panel, click the plugin option. Here we go. Here is all the installed plugin in your website. I'm going to insert a new one, add a new. Here we go. You will find FAQ plugin here. Just type FAQ here and search all the available plugins regarding FAQ. From here you will find a lot of plugins, and I'm going to install this accordion plugin. Install now. Click the install now button. It has installed now, and then activate it. After activation, you will find this plugin in the list of your installed plugin. Here is it. Now we are going to do some more settings. In the left panel, you will find this plugin option, responsive accordion. Just click this option. Here we go. Here is a frequently asked question section, and here is its shortcode. You can edit this one or add a new accordion. I want to add a new accordion. Just click this and name your FAQ. I'm just type FAQ, and here you will find different section. You may say that different question and their answers. I have a Microsoft Word file where I have some questions. I just copy this and paste here, and the answer, I will put answer here. There is a second question. Put question here and answer here. Two questions are by default. You can insert any type of icon with it, like a laptop icon or some other you can find here. For example, I want to insert this display icon, yes or no. This option is also available. So if you want to insert another question, just add a new accordion, and I'm going to put what is the contact information question, and here is the answer of this question. Now our questions and answers have completed. So now we will publish this. Our FAQ have prepared now. Now you just click on all accordions. You will find our FAQ here. Now you have to put this FAQ on your website. It's a simple process. Just create a page and put this shortcode. I'm going to copy it and all pages, create a new page, put title FAQ and paste this shortcut here and click publish. Now you can preview this view page, or you just copy this link and paste into your browser. View page. Here we go. In our website, we have 3 questions like FAQ1, FAQ2 and FAQ3.